डॉक्टर साहब, स्पाइन एंडोस्कोपी पर आप एक बार प्रकाश ज़रूर डालें कि किस तरह से की जाती है, लोगों की चिंताएं हैं, उन्हें उनका निवारण किस तरह से किया जाता है, जब पेशेंट आपके पास आता है तो आप किस तरह से उन्हें हैंडल करते हैं।
Thank you, G Media, for inviting me to this health conclave. I am really honored. So, as you said about spine endoscopy, I think when I graduated in 1984, I joined armed forces. And then when I was doing my postgraduate training in orthopedics, so my chief under whom I was being trained was also a spine surgeon. So I was seeing spine surgery there, and it was open spine surgery, and lot of bone dissection was done. Apart from soft tissue dissection, bone dissection was done. And a soldiers who was trained to fight a war, when after spine surgery, they were not fit to fight a war, they were categorized, they were downgraded, and they were virtually given the task which was not meant for a combat soldier. So that was quite a disturbing for me. That time I was just thinking, why can't something new techniques come in which can save the spine, and these guys can get back to their combat duties again, or a sportsman for that matter. If sportsman is undergoing spine surgery, I still meet couple of sports guys who are now coaches. कहते हैं डॉक्टर साहब हमारा स्पोर्ट्स कैरियर इसलिए खत्म हुआ क्योंकि हमारा प्रॉब्लम था, हमें ओपन स्पाइन सर्जरी एडवाइस करी और हमने ये सर्जरी नहीं कराई. So now I think the new era of spine endoscopy began somewhere in year, I'll say around 1996-97. That time I was training with Professor Raj Bahadur after having finished my tenure with Indian Armed Forces. Professor Raj Bahadur, I was with registrar with him, and that time also we were doing open spine surgery. So after completing my tenure there, that was the time when spine endoscopy came in. And I thought that this is a technology or technique which is going to help our patients of spine patients, because if we talk about spine surgery as compared to other surgical disciplines, spine surgery is a disrespectful and a defamed surgery. A lady who has got a spine problem, वो स्पाइन का ऑपरेशन नहीं कराएगी, वो बच्चादानी निकलवाएगी जाके कि मेरी बैक पेन ठीक हो जाए. दिस इज व्हाट वी आर सीइंग इन आवर डे टू डे प्रैक्टिस. सो दिस वाज द फियर ऑफ स्पाइन सर्जरी. ऑल्दो ओपन स्पाइन सर्जरी इज नॉट दैट बैड. आई हैव गॉन फ्रॉम ओपन टू spine endoscopy. So having said that, now you need to train yourself in spine endoscopy. So I started my journey in spine endoscopy in year 2002, and till now it's 2024. So I have never looked back. Even now I have started training doctors. Since 2009 I have been conducting training courses. Even doctors from outside India, they are coming to us for training. And spine endoscopy is a boon. It has changed the scenario of spine surgery, and it has become a daycare procedure now. Patient abhi operate hua, 7-8 घंटे बाद they are up and about walking, and they are back home second day or maximum third day. So this is what the sea change has occurred.